Comparative Religion from the 26th of the 8th month of 1446. When it comes to other ways, we must make selections. Difference can come through our embrace of cultural appropriation. Internal practice and interpretation is more than worth consideration. The science of change comes through in experimentation. Perpetually, we give and take from the recitations. Authentically yourself. We can draw in our own way from introduction. Sincerely, they don't always differ in a way that threatens. Spirituality doesn't have to agree to bring about appreciation. Implausibly, it can't all be good or true, but it is their decision. Emphatically, we feed from the interactions. So you can see I blended some left-hand path, right-hand path, middle path, insight role, other sorts of approaches into this amalgam, summing up my series here.